Now, I believe this was in my brother Jimmy's bedroom when he was like 10 or 11. For some reason, he went through a little Thunderbirds phase, and I'm pretty sure that was up in his bedroom. Oh, I love it.